Are you working hard every single day but your life still feels stuck in the same place, trying your best, yet nothing seems to change? Then this story might change your life, because an ordinary night guard transformed his future in just 90 days by changing only one habit. His name was Thomas. He had no money, no big degree, no powerful connections. All he had was a tired life and a small dream. Thomas worked night shifts every day. He slept during the day and worked all night. His salary was low and his life was full of frustration. Every day he asked himself, am I going to live like this forever? One day, he met a successful businessman. That man told him something that changed everything. He said 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is the secret time of successful people. While the world is sleeping, you can build your future. If you use these 2 hours for yourself every day, you will be 3 months ahead of everyone else in 1 year. The powerful 2-hour formula. Thomas started the very next day. First hour, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. No phone, no social media, no scrolling, only learning valuable skills. Thomas used YouTube to learn Excel, accounting, and computer skills. Second hour, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., 30 minutes exercise, 30 minutes reading books and planning the day. 3 rules to follow. Wake up at exactly 5 a.m. every day. Go to bed before 9 p.m. The first 21 days will be hard, but after 90 days, it will become your identity. The result. After 90 days, Thomas was no longer the same man. Because of his new skills, the company promoted him from night guard to accountant. His income increased, his respect increased, his life changed. Final message. Thomas's story proves one thing: success is not luck. Success is the result of daily habits. It doesn't matter where you are right now. What matters is what time you wake up tomorrow.